Hey guys, I want to tell you how to make an iced milk coffee with simple. Let's check this out. First, prepare all ingredients you need to make an iced milk coffee. There has a cup of a glass, sugar, coffee, and milk. First step, pour a coffee in a cup of a glass. Then pour a 1/2 spoon sugar in a glass. Don't forget to add some milk cream to a cup of coffee. After that, add some hot water, but don't too much. And stir it well until all ingredients are mixed. After all ingredients were mixed, an iced milk coffee is ready to drink. But finally, we add some ice in a cup of coffee milk. Yay! Final step. We add some chocolate cream if you want. Finish, cup and ice milk of coffee ready to drink. Yummy!